Howdy, and welcome to Lead to Grow, Lesson 2 on Super Objectives. In Lesson 2, we will explore what are the differences between an organization's purpose and mission and super objectives. Your super objectives are not the same as your purpose, but they could be the same as your mission. So let's look at how to avoid confusion and frustration over the words purpose and mission or super objectives. And let's look at a warning that I found that over the years, the terms purpose and mission have become very popular. The problem was that I found people interchanging these terms and often in the same sentence. The results were confusion and frustration. So, what are the differences between them? Once again, I believe Collins and Perez gave the best definition of purpose in their book, Built to Last, when they said the organization's fundamental reasons for existence beyond just making money. Okay, I now understood what a purpose was. How about mission? Well, in the dictionary, it defined mission statement as a formal summary of the aims and values of a company, organization, or individual. Wow. Now I'm even more have more confusion and more frustration. I felt I needed to draw a line in the sand to eliminate ambiguity between the terms purpose and mission. Well, the second warning was I found almost all super objectives or mission statements to be too long and wordy, such that people cannot remember what it says or means. They're too generic, trying to be all things to all people, and they were too technical, which brought about even more confusion and more frustration. I felt I needed to draw a line in the sand to eliminate that ambiguity between the terms purpose and mission by creating a third term, super objective. I recommend business have a purpose using Collins and Perez definition and one or more super objectives, which are the bridge between your core values, purpose, and vision, and your strategies, tactics, and goals. I recommend nonprofits have a mission statement as that term seems well established in that sector. Jesus told us what Satan's mission statement is: the thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy in John 10:10. Well, in this lesson 2, we have been exploring what are the differences between an organization's purpose and mission and super objectives. May I ask you the question again? Have you ever asked yourself at the end of the day, what do we want to accomplish in our business? How would you answer that question? Well, in this lesson 2, would you write down 1 or 2 action items that come to mind that you want to act on today? And this concludes lesson 2 on super objectives.